Elon Musk has done it again. This time, he's working on a terrifying new air defense system for the US Air Force. What if I told you that this project could be the key to stopping Russia? Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive deep into this incredible project, exploring how SpaceX is collaborating with the Air Force, the technology behind it, and what it means for the future. Let's start with a bit of background. SpaceX, Elon Musk's brainchild, has revolutionized the aerospace industry. From reusable rockets to plans for Mars colonization, SpaceX is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now, they've partnered with the United States Air Force on a project that could change the game in global defense and logistics. SpaceX has a history of turning science fiction into reality. Founded in 2002, the company has made significant strides in making space travel more affordable and accessible. They've developed rockets that can be reused, reducing the cost of launching satellites and other payloads into space. Their ambitious plans include colonizing Mars and creating a satellite internet network called Starlink. With such a track record, it's no surprise that the US Air Force has teamed up with SpaceX for this groundbreaking project. The US Air Force has awarded SpaceX a whopping $102 million contract. This isn't just any contract, it's part of the Air Force's rocket cargo program. What's that, you ask? It's an ambitious initiative to use rockets for global logistics. Imagine being able to transport military cargo or humanitarian aid anywhere in the world, in a matter of hours. That's the goal here, and SpaceX is at the forefront. This contract is significant for several reasons. Firstly, it's the largest of its kind ever offered. Secondly, it signals a major shift in how the military thinks about logistics and transportation. By using rockets, the Air Force hopes to achieve rapid deployment capabilities that were previously unimaginable. The rocket cargo program aims to leverage the speed and efficiency of rockets to move goods across the globe. Traditional transportation methods, like ships and planes, can take days or even weeks to deliver cargo. Rockets, on the other hand, can do it in a matter of hours. This rapid delivery capability is crucial in both military and humanitarian contexts. Now, let's get into the techie stuff. SpaceX is tasked with demonstrating a variety of technologies and capabilities for this project. They're not just using any rockets, they're leveraging some of their most advanced systems. SpaceX has been a pioneer in reusable rocket technology. Their Falcon Heavy rocket, for example, has reusable boosters that return to Earth after launch, ready to be used again. This not only saves costs but also makes frequent launches more feasible. Reusable rockets are a game changer in the aerospace industry. Traditional rockets are discarded after a single use, making space travel incredibly expensive. By reusing rockets, SpaceX can dramatically reduce the cost of launching payloads into space. This innovation has made space travel more accessible and opened up new possibilities for exploration and commerce. The Falcon Heavy is one of the most powerful rockets in the world, capable of carrying large payloads into space. But that's not all. SpaceX is also developing Starship, a massive rocket designed for deep space missions. Starship will have a reusable booster system called Super Heavy, which can launch 100 metric tons into Earth's orbit. The Falcon Heavy consists of 3 Falcon 9 engine cores, making it capable of lifting much heavier payloads than its predecessors. It has already been used for several high-profile missions, including launching a Tesla Roadster into space. The Starship, on the other hand, is still in development but promises to be even more powerful. It's designed for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, with the capacity to carry humans and cargo to distant destinations. One of the most exciting aspects of this project is the concept of point-to-point transport. This means using rockets to move cargo from one place on Earth to another, quickly and efficiently. Imagine needing to deliver critical supplies to a disaster zone. With this technology, it could be done in hours instead of days. Point-to-point transport could revolutionize global logistics. For example, in the event of a natural disaster, getting supplies to affected areas quickly is crucial. Traditional transportation methods can be slow, especially if infrastructure has been damaged. Rockets can bypass these obstacles and deliver aid directly to where it's needed most. This project isn't just about military applications. It has enormous potential for humanitarian aid as well. During a disaster, getting supplies to affected areas quickly can save lives. Rockets can bypass damaged infrastructure and deliver aid directly where it's needed. For the military, being able to transport cargo rapidly can be a game changer. Whether it's equipment, supplies, or personnel, having the ability to move things quickly can provide a significant strategic advantage. Rapid deployment is critical in military operations. Being able to move troops and equipment quickly can mean the difference between success and failure in a mission. Rockets can deliver supplies directly to the battlefield, reducing the time it takes to resupply and support troops. Disasters often strike in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Traditional transportation methods can be slow and cumbersome. Rockets, however, can land supplies directly in the affected area, bypassing roads and other another obstacle. In the aftermath of a disaster, time is of the essence. Supplies like food, water, and medical aid are often urgently needed. Rockets can deliver these supplies quickly, helping to save lives and alleviate suffering. This technology could be a game-changer in disaster response efforts. A crucial part of this project involves collecting environmental data. The Air Force will monitor SpaceX launches and landings to gather information needed for the program. This data will help refine the technology and ensure it's ready for real-world applications. Every time SpaceX launches a rocket, valuable data is collected. This includes information on flight paths, landing accuracy, and environmental impact. By analyzing this data, the Air Force can improve its understanding of rocket logistics. Data collection is essential for the success of this project. Understanding how rockets perform in different conditions will help the Air Force optimize their use for logistics and transport. This data will also help identify any potential issues and address them before the technology is deployed on a larger scale. The environmental impact of rocket launches is an important consideration. Rockets can produce significant amounts of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. By monitoring and analyzing the environmental impact of SpaceX launches, the Air Force can work to minimize the ecological footprint of this technology. Reducing the environmental impact of rocket launches is crucial for the sustainability of this technology. SpaceX is already working on making their rockets more environmentally friendly, and this project provides an opportunity to further these efforts. This project is just the beginning. The Air Force plans to collaborate with other companies in the future, expanding the program's reach and capabilities. In the coming years, we can expect to see several commercial demonstration launches. These will test the feasibility of point-to-point transport and other aspects of the project. Demonstration launches are a crucial step in developing and refining this technology. They provide an opportunity to test the systems in real-world conditions and gather valuable data. These tests will help ensure that the technology is reliable and effective before it's deployed on a larger scale. As of now, there isn't a set timeline for the first demonstration flight. However, the Air Force will collect data whenever SpaceX conducts relevant missions. This iterative approach ensures continuous improvement and refinement of the technology. The timeline for the first demonstration flight is dependent on several factors, including the development and testing of the technology. However, the Air Force's commitment to collecting data from relevant missions means that progress will be ongoing. But wait, there's more. SpaceX isn't just working on rocket logistics. They're also making strides with Starlink, their satellite internet project. Starlink aims to provide fast internet service to even the most remote areas. For this project, SpaceX is partnering with Ball Aerospace. Ball will provide antennas to connect Starlink satellites to aircraft, enhancing communication capability. The collaboration with Ball Aerospace is an important part of the Starlink project. Ball Aerospace is known for its expertise in developing advanced antennas and communication systems. This partnership will help ensure that Starlink can provide reliable internet service to aircraft and other mobile platforms. This collaboration falls under the DUXI program, which focuses on using commercial space internet for defense purposes. Ball Aerospace received a $9.7 million contract for this project, further solidifying the partnership between SpaceX and the Air Force. The DUXI program aims to leverage commercial space internet for defense applications. This includes providing reliable communication capabilities for military operations. The partnership between SpaceX and Ball Aerospace will help achieve these goals, enhancing the effectiveness of military communications. Ball Aerospace has already tested their technology in lab settings. The next step involves on-aircraft tests scheduled for later this year. This will further validate the system's performance and reliability. Testing is a crucial part of developing and deploying new technology. The lab tests conducted by Ball Aerospace have provided valuable data, and the upcoming on-aircraft tests will further validate the system's performance. These tests will help ensure that the technology is ready for real-world use. So, what does all this mean? Elon Musk, through SpaceX, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible yet again. This new air defense system has the potential to revolutionize global logistics and defense. By combining cutting-edge technology with innovative thinking, Musk and SpaceX are poised to change the game. And who knows? This might just be the key to stopping Russia and ensuring global stability. We've covered a lot in this article, from the groundbreaking technology behind SpaceX's project with the Air Force to the potential applications in both military and humanitarian contexts. The collaboration between SpaceX and the Air Force is a significant step forward in the world of logistics and defense. By leveraging reusable rockets and advanced technology, this project has the potential to revolutionize how we think about global transportation and logistics. But this is just the beginning. With future collaborations and continued innovation, the possibilities are endless. So, keep an eye on SpaceX and their groundbreaking projects. And remember, if you want to stay updated on all things Elon Musk, SpaceX, and beyond, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Until next time.